Welcome! Today, we'll explore how to allow CapCut to access your photos on iPhone. Let's dive right in. First, open your iPhone settings. Look for the Privacy tab. This is where you control app permissions. Next, tap on Photos. Here, you'll see a list of apps requesting access to your photos. Find CapCut and tap on it. You'll see options for how the app can use your photos. Select Read and Write to grant full access. This allows CapCut to import and export your photos. Now, CapCut is ready! You can easily edit your photos and videos without hassle. Enjoy creating! In just a few taps, you've allowed CapCut to access your photos. Your editing journey starts today. Remember to check permissions regularly for all apps. Keeping your data secure is essential. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Share your editing creations using CapCut. We'd love to see what you make. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial. Until next time, happy creating!